Hey guys, it's Justin from Olsen Motorsports. I got a quickie for you today. We're going to be doing a install of this Safecraft fire bottle on a Gen 1 Ford Raptor. We have this already unboxed, and what you'll find in the box is your really nice fire bottle, the quick release mount, as well as the application specific mount. In this case, this is for a 12th gen F-150 or Ford Raptor. This will work for anything from 2009 up to 2014, and it's a very super simple install. 2 bolts from the passenger seat, slide it underneath, and you're going to put it on. So we're going to use a few tools. One thing, if you're in the Midwest, the bottom bolts on the seats might be a little rusty, so you can use some PB Blaster, or what we use is Rust Off 48. Really good stuff. In order to take off these little hex screws over here and mount them to the application specific mount, I have a 1/8 inch hex head socket. And then to remove the 2 bolts for the front seat, you will use a 15mm socket and a ratchet, or if you want to be a little quicker, you can use a electronic ratchet. First, you're going to want to start by going ahead and releasing the pull tab on your fire bottle mount. And we're going to do this because we need to secure this mount to the bracket. So you're going to take your 1/8 inch socket and ratchet and go ahead and loosen these. All right. Now that we have these screws out, we're going to put this to the side. We're not going to use this plate. So you're going to want this facing outwards, of course, because the pin is going to go inside here. So turn this upside down. I'm going to go ahead and line up the holes, and these screws are beveled, so they're going to center themselves anyways. Let's get it started by finger. And if you want, I would recommend some blue Loctite here, but it's not completely necessary, just because these screws are pretty hard to access after you mount. All right, make sure they're tight. It's tight. Cool. All right. Now let's go to the car, and we're going to pop this right underneath the passenger seat.
Okay, go.
All right, so super simple. We got 2 bolts here holding the front of the passenger seat on. So again, I was saying, if you live in the Midwest, you might have some rust on these bolts. So if you have some rust on these, I would suggest going underneath the truck. You'll see these bolts sticking out, and I would spray them with some PB Blaster or Rust Off. I've already done that, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen these bolts with a ratchet. All right, got 1 bolt out. Break it free. All right, so by loosening these 2 bolts, we're going to have enough wiggle room to slide this bracket right underneath. So just pull on the seat a little bit and give us some wiggle room. And we're all lined up. So let's pop the screws back in. Start it by hand first. I have to adjust it a little bit. Make sure it's tight. All right, it's all tight. Now we can just go back, grab the bottle, put the pin in, and we're all done. All right, so we got the fire bottle here. I'm gonna put it pointing this way. Slides right there in the groove. Then just line up the pin. And kind of slide it. So line up the pin. There you go. It's locked in place. Definitely not going anywhere. And man, this thing looks really nice. Also, I just want to let you guys know that these collars, you can loosen these collars and you can spin the bottle in any orientation you want. You can slide it this way, slide it that way. and put it to wherever you want it. So being mounted over here, you can tell that you got plenty of foot space still. You're not going to really snag on it. And being in the driver's seat over there, very easy to just come over here, pull the pin, and there's your fire bottle. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.